While providing a good education, NCISD goes the extra step with the CTE program or Career Technical Education. There are currently 15 CTE programs at New Caney schools. This one helps students build their own future. Just a quick walk around the building trades wood shop at New Caney High School, and one can see that projects are as varied as their student builders.
They have the opportunity to build and choose projects that they may need or want for their homes or for their parents or for whomever. It gives them a real sense of accomplishment when they build something with their hands that they can use or their parents will have for years, decades perhaps.
Take for instance Cesar Pena. He took on an idea that many woodworkers twice his age would fear.
It's an amazing work of art. It's not just a chair, it's beautiful. He built forms and resawed wood into very thin strips so that he could laminate the wood and bend it and glue it together on those forms, so when it sets you have the beautiful curves of the rails and the seat back. It's an amazing project.
For those that dedicate themselves to learning the intricacies of woodworking trades, they will come out of high school many steps ahead of a beginner.
It's amazing the certification opportunities here in the New Caney School District. Whether it's in construction or architecture or cosmetology, a lot of these students can get certificates before they leave high school and go right to work, and also save money in college fees and preparatory fees. Once they leave here, they have those certifications that will get them in the door in the industry to be successful.